Here are 7 foods known to help reduce cholesterol levels. 1. Oats. High in soluble fiber, oats can help reduce LDL bad cholesterol by preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. 2. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts, which are high in monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, can improve cholesterol levels when eaten in moderation. 3. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil can lower LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL good cholesterol. 4. Avocado. A great source of monounsaturated fats and fiber, which helps to lower LDL cholesterol and improve heart health. 5. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce triglycerides and improve cholesterol levels. 6. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in soluble fiber and plant-based proteins, which can help reduce LDL cholesterol. 7. Berries. High in antioxidants and fiber, berries like strawberries and blueberries can lower LDL cholesterol and reduce inflammation. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet can promote better heart health and help manage cholesterol.